Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this 3D object by using Creo Parametric. This is simple one. This video I am creating for beginners. So let's get started. Go to Creo Parametric, new, solid, part modeling. Untick this use default template, click OK. We are modeling our component in mm. Choose this mm part solid absolute, click OK. Now go to the model. Now I'm going to extrude this bottom one. For that, I'm going to make this straight line of length of 25. This I'm taking as a right plane. Go to sketch, sketch view, make the center line, press the roller to confirm. Go to line, take a line of length, press the roller to confirm. Now this length is 25. Go here, this line I have created. This distance is 65. This distance is 65. Fit screen. Now I have created this one. Then go to take a line, draw this line and press the roller to confirm. Then click here, click here. These two are making equal, not equal actually. Click here. Press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now go to the model. This thickness is 25 and which is equal, and this height is 10. Go here, equal constraint, click this edge and click this edge. This one indicates this both line are equal. Of length, go to dimension 12. Go to the model, this is 12 and this height is 10. Go here, this height is 10. This total height is 25. From that it will set. Okay, now we have modeled our geometry. Yes, go to the model, click OK, go to extrude, make this as a symmetric. Go to the model. This extrusion length is 100. Press enter and click OK. Now see, this extrusion we have done. Now I'm going to extrude this back part of height. This height is 25. From that we just want to remove from 75. That remaining height is 50 to entire distance. Take this model, take this surface, go to sketch, sketch view, take a reference of this edge and this edge, close, go to rectangle, take this one, press the roller to confirm. Now this height is 50. Click OK. Now go to extrude, just rotate the object, flip the direction, go here. This extrusion length is 40. Change this into 40, press enter and click OK. Now go here. Now this extrusion also we have done. Now we just want to do remove material properties. First I'm going to remove this material. For this height is 25 and this distance is 40. Go here, select the surface, sketch, sketch view, make the center line. First make the reference of this plane, this one and this one, this one, and close. Make center line here. For symmetric purpose, make a rectangle. Go to object. Yes. take a reference of this and close. Make a rectangle, symmetric, click OK. Only we just want to specify this as a 40. Automatically this dimension will be 30. Yes. Undo it. Click OK. Now just rotate it. Go to extrude. Flip direction to next. Click OK. Now go to the model. This cut also we have removed. Now we just want to make this cut. For that, this height is 50 and this thickness is 20. Go here, select the surface, sketch, sketch view, reference, take this edges as reference, close, create a center line for symmetric purpose. Go to rectangle, symmetric rectangle, press the roller to confirm. Now go to the model. This height is 50 and this is 20. Go here, this one is 20, this one is 50. Click OK. Now go to extrude, flip the direction, go to the model. This height is 40. Here they mentioned. Just make into 40, press enter and click OK. Red skin. Now just shaded with edge. Hide all the datum planes. Now we have completed our model. Go and check here. Yes. So this is simple one. We have used extrude command and extrude with remove material. Similarly, most of the components we can use extrude. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have any other method to draw the same component using Creo Parametric, please comment me. Thank you.